How's it going, guys? So what we're doing today, right, is we're gonna make this thing shoot flames for free. Big ones, hopefully. And if they're not big enough, we're gonna have to chop the off the exhaust so it's got a bigger opening. We'll get to that when we get to it. So I had this idea, right, and I was just looking at the engine bay. I looked over here and I was like, oh, look at this neat little switch, little 3 wires here. Look at that ground. See that ground? We're gonna do something with that ground, but we're gonna power probe, because I wanted to do it with a stock switch, something that's already in the car that already has a relay. Like, it's gonna be 100% free. If we use a wire, it's gonna be a wire from this car or the E30 probably. That thing probably has a lot of wires in it. No, we'll use it from the E30.
No, we won't.
No, but
we can get it from the Civic.
Yeah, we don't need.
But you have wire.
But the E30 is high quality German wire though, so it's probably better. It's priority. Basically, we're gonna take this. You think this cruise control works, dude?
The button lights up.
All right, so right here, right, we're gonna unplug that. Okay. Not this one, this one. And we're gonna take this here power probe. You're supposed to take the battery ones.
Oh, well, I'm gonna turn it on first.
Where's the probe, eh? Oh God, and I was like, yo, what the happened? All right, cool. Right. So basically what we're gonna do, this is a little tutorial for you guys, right? Oh man. Is it actually tangled? Yeah. No. Okay. You can do this with whatever you want. I'm gonna use this switch right here, or I'm at least gonna try to, just because it's convenient and right there. Or if that doesn't work, maybe the hazards or something, but I think they require more work, because basically, if you're using the hazards, because the hazard's cutting power, it'll get there. Yeah, dude. So the hazard's gonna be cutting power, so basically the power supplied to the hazards, you'd have to take the power source going to the hazard relay and make it ground, so that it's always constant ground, but when you press the hazard, it would be interrupted ground. You know what I mean? I'm really smart, dude. Engineering degree, you know what I mean? All right, so. Oh, turn the key on, by the way?
Yes.
Oh, this, I just tested this one, and that's not the one, dude. Keys on?
Yes.
Alrighty, dude. Let's find the constant. No. Holy, hey. Oh, that's, yeah, the thing has the friggin'. Okay, so that's constant. We don't need that. What? Wait, what'd you just do?
I turned the cruise control on.
What do you mean you turned the cruise control on?
So there's an on button. On. Now it's on. Off. Now it's off.
You turned it on.
Yeah, it's on right now.
Turn it off. On, off it.
On. Off.
On, off.
On. Off.
This is the only one, but it's... So we're gonna have to do it, instead of interrupting ground, we're gonna interrupt the power. And that'll work. So basically, to turn the car on, this is gonna be a safety feature too, right guys? So if you don't need your cruise control and you don't want your car stolen, and you don't wanna make the thief do some guessing, you literally won't be able to turn it on unless he turns the cruise control on, dude. All right, so we're literally gonna have to just off, on. The switch works. So it's this one right here, which is the pink wire. If anyone's doing this at home, this is not financial car advice. So we're gonna rip that out. It's kind of a small wire, eh? I don't know, dude. What we'll do is go from the signal, because I don't think that tiny wire is gonna, it's probably just gonna melt the wire if we try to go straight to that. So we'll leave that intact, but the middle one I'm assuming is what literally tells it to turn on. And that's nothing right now.
Can we crank it? It's not gonna start.
Yeah. That's what we'll do. That's it right there, bud. Straight from here to the middle wire of the coil pack, and hopefully she shoots some big ones, eh? We need some snips. We need to cut that wire. We're gonna tie it together and not use any electrical tape, because this is for free, dude. Yeah, that'll work. Maybe. I don't know.
Oh, look at this.
I like the gang splicers that are like the ones that look like.
Takes it right off, dude. What do you mean? See, let's zoom in on her, dude. Takes it right off, dude. Watch, I'll show you again, dude. No big deal. Remember, I can cut her off, dude.
Yep. Wonderful.
That's nice, no?
Yeah, I like those.
We're gonna fry this thing, dude. I'm trying to shoot the big ones. And I think this should be straight piped enough. You don't think there's any like cats in the way or anything of like?
No, definitely.
That should be.
not.
I think that should be straight piped enough to be able to. to be able to friggin' shoot some Larrys, dude. Try to take that up. Alrighty. So you're gonna take this here. You're gonna friggin' spoon to the other side.
I don't know. You're the one that was probing, dude.
Listen here, dude. So you take this friggin'
Whole plug gone. Would have snapped that wire, dude.
I'll use AJ's little friggin' dingle for this thing, dude. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna take that right there. Okay, now turn the ignition off and try to start the car.
You see, it doesn't turn off anymore.
What do you mean? Turn it off.
It doesn't turn off, buddy. We were just about to say why you always up, and then he's gonna catch the car on fire.
Dude, I mean, we're taking the power out of it, you know what I'm saying, dude? So basically, that didn't work. So, because I tested it with the clip unplugged, but it gets power, that middle wire gets power when it's plugged in. So what we're gonna do...
Dude!
What, dude?
This is ground.
Are you sure?
Yeah. When you click this, it grounds the horn.
Does the horn work though? Like,
I
is
mean,
all
I
that
hear
wiring
it, but
good?
it just doesn't.
You hear the relay.
Dude, we're just...
Let's power probe it, dude. Yeah, it has to be, because there's only one wire going to it, right? Oh, the wire's gone, dude. The wire's gone. AJ, the wire's gone, dude. The horn wire is cut. It's okay, I found the wire, dude. All right.
The alarm system
Yes.
was probably annoying. Didn't you rip it out?
No.
Oh.
Hold the horn. No, it gives it power. Not gonna work. We have to do my method, eh? I'll pop that thing back out. It gives it power. See what I mean?
Yeah, it's no power when the button's off.
I know for a fact this
So if
is
we
ground.
hooked that up, we'd have to. It wouldn't run off that small wire. Like we have
I
to
know
intercept
for
the
a
ground.
fact that the wire that goes to this is a ground.
Yeah, so we're one of these, dude. So whatever one of these is constant, we just have to cut. Ground. Any other ones? Ground. See, the grounds is meant, dude. That's what we need, dude. Is the key on?
Yes, I don't know what the you were trying to get at with this.
Take the power away, dude.
Now, how is that going to get power if there's no power to this? Why
not-
would the switch
It's not
work if
working,
there's no power?
I feel like we should have just got a switch from AutoZone for $4.
No, this is free, dude. We're gonna figure this
Wait,
out.
try it again. Why was it just beeping?
Because I pulled ground.
Cashed out on the old E30, dude, right in the ashtray. We got this rig. And we got bada bing, bada boom, dude.
What's that other one?
The switch.
Oh, I thought that was the switch. Okay, that's connectors.
Yeah. Okay, buddy. Stop doing that,
I
eh?
don't wanna keep taking things apart, dude.
What, you're gonna take was that ground?
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's ground. That's good ground there, don't you know?
How are we gonna make that work? Isn't that the coolant temp sensor?
Yeah, dude, I'm just spitballing over here, you know what I mean?
We're gonna shut the coolant off.
No, you just shut the coolant off this guy, dude. No, I'm trying to, dude, you know what I'm saying? Get friggin' on one of the switches in there, dude.
Dude, I got it right here.
You have nothing.
I just pulled this out of the E30. It's never gonna run again now.
Holy, dude. What was that for, dude? Yeah, but a switch is game. I'm trying to get the freaking switch inside to be like, pop, 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 something like that.
Literally what's gonna happen.
Yeah, but you got a switch, dude. I'm not trying to have a switch, dude.
I don't care. Look at this.
Putting a switch in there. We could have done that. Go put it back, dude.
No, I like this one better.
Okay. It'd be better if it was a button, but okay.
I'll make it a button.
I couldn't find the things for the horns. You didn't need a screwdriver to take that center console thing out. It just kind of popped off, dude.
I'm done talking about it. I'm trying to be about it.
Like that.
Freaking
Let me see.
caught the ground.
Right. Didn't work. You know what I mean? I tried doing a little bit of, it didn't work. So, I'm gonna put this back, dude. We tried this thing and it worked. We're gonna use a switch, super rice, but I guess it was still technically free. It's free enough, all right, dude. You've got
It was free for us.
Yeah, you got $4, you know what I mean, and some wire. Right, so we just intercepted the ground straight up right there, dude. Don't worry about the repaired ignition wire, but these two right here with these wires, their cable management's doing really good right now. And he's just gonna friggin', yeah, so that's pretty much it.
That literally hurt my actual ears. Dude, that was...
Let's go outside.
That was...
You gotta keep your foot on the gas, that's what keeps the TPS up. It's dark out now, so it should be better.
Big flames.
Better.
Wait, should we do it out back, though? Because it took a minute to warm up.
Dude, look at the pipe that is for the turbos.
Yeah.
It's like spark. So, dude, it works pretty mint for a free mod, but it's kind of a little bit yanj. It's pretty rice.
It's definitely super rice. It's like not... You'd have to be that ricer at the meat. That's just...
Like just sitting there like,
Yeah. Yep.
Sick, man. You know who you are. Racers.
Guys with the...
Uh-oh.
This bad Larry's over.
I wonder why.
Yo, click the jump box.
Oof.
The jump pack's like dead, dude.
Here, I'll get mine.
I think let's just push it in.
Hold on.
It's just got to go right there.
Do you want a sweaty piece, dude?
Nah, yeah, I'm all good on that, you know what I mean?
I'm fast, dude. If anyone wants to race, dude, let me know.
The switch worked mint. I liked it. I wish it was a button, but you know, I tried. You guys saw I tried. I was power probing and sour globing, dude. And I was hemoglobin, dude. Everything.
He just doesn't know what he's doing.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
But it worked, ish. I mean, she shot some flames. So if any of you guys are, going to your freaking car meets and you want to be cool and rice and everything nice.
If you want to literally be that guy in the VQ, just having a glowing exhaust the entire night.
Do it.
You know what I mean?
We support it.
Don't literally be. This is rice, right? But some people will literally pay like $2,000 for an uprev tune that does this, and they're literally paying $2K plus. These VQ kids.
No.
I swear to God, yeah. Because the uprev itself is like $800 and the tune's like $1,400. And there'll be like a flame map. Yeah, I got a flame map. Look at me. Look at my flame map and go to the meet and whoom, whoom. You rice, dude. Hook up a switch.
This switch was $4. You're telling me they paid $2 grand?
Mm-hmm. They paid more than this. They paid like 2 of these Miatas, dude.
Carlos, do you want to get in the shot? Come on. Come on. Come on, get in.
He had to spring load. You saw that?
I like how he like
Carlos,
spools
come over
up.
here.
Yeah,
before
he had to
like,
literally
yeah.
calculate
Come
it.
over here for us. Put your face right there. You go, bud. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Carlos loved it.
Carlos not like other dogs, dude. He's not like those dogs, you know what I mean? 4th of July comes there, woo, 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 woo. No, he's mint, dude. He's like, yeah, your explosions are dope. You know what I mean?
Look at this guy.
Dogs with their camera. Oh no, dude,
Dude, he's literally
trying to drive it,
He's
isn't he?
literally trying to drive it.
He
Take
saw
a rip.
Kyle do the donuts. He wants to do donuts now, dude.
You want to drive it, dude? Oh, such a cute little boy. So that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, follow the Patreon, go over to BS Gaming, follow BS Gaming. We live stream every night, dude. Minecraft.
Yeah, for like legit 3-4 hours every night. We've been crushing the live streams, dude. So follow that. Hopefully we don't get griefed again, because that kind of sucked. But
Yeah, that did suck. But we enjoy hanging out through live stream with you guys, chatting,
boys, dude.
answering your questions, just hanging out. It's just a good time. So hopefully we see you guys over there. But
just watch out for the boy, dude. He's about to freaking